Alright, so there's a blackbird that's trying to kill me. Its nest is up in the tree. I'm trying to trim a tree. So I got a helmet now. Dusty.
Alright. Trial 45. Oops. I don't know where the thing is. Hold on.
Hear it. Hear it. Hey, here it comes.
Ha ha ha!
Again. Ready? I'm so scared. Here we go. I think it sees you.
Yeah, it sees me. They're both up there now. Up in that tree.
I'll try to trim this tree.
Oh no. It's pretty crazy. You were there for like 2 seconds before they started attacking you.
I don't think it knows where my face is.
Probably not. I'm gonna go in because if I go in, they don't know I'm out there. It's more fun to watch him go crazy. Where did he go?
He's not around here. Wait for it? Okay, here, watch.
What are you doing?
He's trimming a bush.
The helmet?
These blackbirds have a nest in this tree.
Yeah.
Is he attacking him?
Yeah. Well, they're
Really?
they're attacking him.
Attacking Austin?
Austin, yeah. Oh, there's baby birds up there.
Oh, that's
Ah, you can hear them. And that's the end.